Okay, so hello everyone. Today is 31st of January, and so I'm traveling. That's why I won't be able to open my video. So I don't have the proper setup. So let's start discussing what we are going to expect tomorrow. So tomorrow we have our budget day, and so this video is all about how we are going to trade tomorrow and what's the idea. So this is not about like what we are going to see in the budget, and let's not speculate about that. So the budget is going to start tomorrow at 11 a.m. So before that, we should be very careful, and also like throughout the day we should be very careful about our trade. So yeah, first let's discuss what happened today, and according to that we would be proceeding for tomorrow's analysis as well. So the first thing is that in the morning, like if you see that we saw that Nifty score and Bank Nifty score. So Nifty score started falling. Okay, so Nifty was showing some fall, but again Bank Nifty score wasn't falling much. Okay, so and that's why like Bank Nifty was not showing weakness. Okay, so the thing is that Bank Nifty, since the bank, so we got to know that weakness will be there in Nifty more than in Bank Nifty. So that's why I used again, as I told you yesterday, like I would be going with sell on rise, and I did stick to it, and so mainly I was doing it in Nifty because Nifty was showing weakness. Okay, so now the first thing was that in the morning I wasn't getting any trade for the option buyers. So then what since the scores were decreasing, so it was good for the call writers, and in call writing we did a great even in Nifty also. Like if 935, if you see if you so 935 was up move came, and if you shorted here, so you're going to get a very nice move here. And again overall again it started coming down and the 17622 showed resistance in the first half very well. So the thing is that again for the call riders it was great, but again as I told you that since I have members who are option buyers, so I do definitely try to get some option buying moves. I try to capture the option buying moves as well for them. So for the T3, so there was some opportunity for the put buyers, and again 1053 things would again come down in just a matter of time. So 1053, if you look at here, so this is the candle. Okay, so 1050 to 1055, where Nifty was almost like at 70,614 or 615, and then it came down to 17,565. Okay, so that's a very nice move. You could do nothing when the index are consolidating, and also like even if you go and check yesterday's video, I clearly told that since in FinNifty both PropDex and FIs have sold put, so that's why like today and since in Nifty and Bank Nifty they are having call writing position, so the index might consolidate today. So yes, and it did happen. So you can go and check yesterday's video. I clearly told that today we can see some consolidation. Okay, and then the next move was at here which I updated in Twitter as well. So if you go and check in Twitter, so up move is not volume supported. So just check the so you have to check various data, and because it's not like in these consolidation times it's very difficult to get the moves, but yes, again you have to check a lot of data. So volume is one of the most important data which you must follow. So 1152, if you look at in Nifty here, so 1152 is here where I clearly wrote like Nifty was at 17,642. Okay, so here was Nifty at around 17,642, and then it came down by 45 points. Okay, from the next candle onward. So yes, this was the update for all those who follow me on Twitter. So I think I deserve one like for that. So please do like the video if you want such updates in the future as well. So yes, and coming next to another thing, that is as I told, that the scores. So here the score went to 94. So it's almost like overbought region. So the score is at 94 at around 1325, and after that you can very well see that the score decreased, as well as Nifty also decreased. Okay, so so nine. If it, just go and check at 1326. So here if you check at 1326, it's around here. So after that also, like, there was a nice fall, okay, in Nifty. And yes, again today I was just sticking to Nifty for sell on rise opportunity. And again I'll come to Bank Nifty as well. So those are the major updates. And also for Bank Nifty indicator, if you look at here, that is at around here the score jumped till here. That is, the red one is the indicator score. So at 1203 the score was 68, and Bank Nifty was at around here, like 4639. Okay, but then after that Bank Nifty went a lot I mean more than 100 points above. So 4771. So it was at around 4639. So 100 points more it went up, but you see that the score did not go up. The score came down to 43 at around here, while the score was 68. So yeah, that was showing that up move is limited. Okay, so over the period of time, up move was limited. And also, like in the day, during the daytime, I analyzed that future short was also happening. So I was just sticking to what I told you yesterday in my video, that is sell on rise. Okay, and that's it for today's update. So now if we just go to FI selling data, so FIs are selling. Okay, so they kept on selling, and DIs are trying to support the market. Advance to decline ratios is going favorable for the market. And now let's come to the major thing, that is the end of the day data, and what we are going to expect tomorrow. What move we are going to expect tomorrow. Okay, so the first thing you should keep in mind is this is stock market. Okay, so meanwhile, if you have any queries or questions, you can ask. So this is stock market. Okay, so if the budget is very good or very bad, then I mean it's of course a reason for selling for the big guys. But again, you can't say. The budget might be good, but market can fall down, whatever. So I mean market is irrational, so you always have to consider that. So now who can like drive the market? The big guys, right? So what are the data suggesting? So let's see what the data of FIs and Propdex are suggesting for today. So if you see, somewhat they have done futures long, but that's not relevant data. Okay, because they have done huge future short. Okay, so huge future short by the FIs, as well as Propdex also doing huge future short. So be careful again. And coming down here, that is option index, put writing. So put writing again, FIs have done some put writing. Propdex also, they are, I mean they are they have also done some put writing. Okay, so why am I saying that they have done some put writing? If you compare it with the previous day data, you will see that put writing they have closed. Okay, so this is not like they were having put writing positions in FinNifty which they closed, but again initiated some in the index as well. But the main thing is that this put writing data is not relevant. Like, this is not a huge quantity. Okay, it's huge according to us, but according to them, if you see that they are having huge call writing positions still, they have closed or you can say they are not making new fresh call writing positions. But that's not true, because what they are doing is actually like they are closing their far out of the money call writing positions, and making fresh in the money call writing positions. Okay, so that's why you will notice that they are not increasing their call writing positions, but they are just shifting them downwards. Okay, so please be careful about that. And so they are just doing it to show that they are not making call to generate a bullish sentiment. Okay, so please be careful about that. And yes, of course, some call buying has been done to hedge these future short positions, because a lot positions have been added today, and that's the reason I was sticking to sell on rise, because futures data was bearish today. And again, the reason that market did not fail, I clearly told you in yesterday's video, because they are having put writing positions in Nifty. And again, this Nifty, Bank Nifty, mostly Bank Nifty, Nifty, they are related. Okay, so if one falls, it affects the other. So that's why, like, Nifty expiry was there, so that's why market I think did not fall much. But again, let's see what happens tomorrow. But I'm coming to tomorrow. So let's discuss the data first. So put buying quantity, again, they have closed very little of put buying, but again, put buying quantity is still there. And heavy put call writing is there, and call writings are also done in the money. Okay, being shifted from out of the money to in the money. Now coming to prop dex data. So the prop dex are also having huge call writing positions, so that clearly shows that up move will be limited. Okay, up move has to be limited, otherwise these big guys, FIs and prop dex, they are going to end at a loss, not only with their call writing positions but also with their futures position. Okay, so that's why upside is limited. And again, prop dex, I think option, yeah, so overall option chain is bearish. Okay, FIs, I would stick to their put buying and call writing positions, and their futures heavy short positions. Prop dex, futures heavy short positions, and also their heavy call writing positions. Okay, so overall data is bearish. But again, I would like to say something, that is, tomorrow I think I would wait. If I don't get much signal before 11 a.m, I would wait till 11 a.m for some proper updates. And usually the move comes at after 12, or maybe like things would start developing at 11, between 11 to 12. So the thing is that if index wants to go down, okay, first there could be some spike upwards, and that would they would try to initiate like they would try to hit the bears, and also try to make the sentiment positive, or try to do something so that they could trap the retailers. And that's the thing. So and then finally could go down. Okay, so while these spikes are coming, so are they real? Are they indicating bullishness in the index? So that's what you have to decide, what's exactly going on at that moment, whether call writing, put buying, call buying, or put writing. So what combination is going on, what is going on in the future? So you have to track all of them. And again, let me tell you that what most retail traders do is sorry, they buy both the sides. Okay, so suppose at 17,700 they would just, or 600, they would just buy both the sides, because they would expect heavy move I mean on one side. And so I mean, if on one side things goes like 3 times or 4 times or even 5 times, and the other side goes to 0, so it doesn't matter for them. So overall you are easily doubling your thing, that is, your investment is getting double. So the thing is that again, the move has to come tomorrow. That no one could be sure about that. Like tomorrow again, things might just consolidate, and it might be a boring market. Okay, so please be careful about that. And market can be volatile, and the thing is that it all depends on how the new fresh positions gets built up tomorrow. So we have to be very careful about that. And again, I would try to say that if even like I would be bearish. Okay, so my first view would be bearish. I would try to figure out if I mean the call writers are active or not, or put buyers are active or not. So that's the thing. And if I don't find them active, so then I won't take any trade, because if even if market goes up, I won't participate in that, because I mean the data of the big guys are suggesting bearishness. Okay, so if market goes up, I won't surely participate. I would be looking for the bearish fresh positions getting formed, and that's again my view would be sell on rise. And if there is nice rise, like let's talk about the levels. The levels are working very nicely. If you have noticed recently, like 17,770 and 17,718. So these are the next levels upper, and the final level would be 17,850. Okay, so if by any chance Nifty goes above 17,850, I would just go straight away and close my eyes and just buy in the monthly option chain, put buy. Okay, that's what I would do. But if index is between them and I see, then I have to notice like what is actually happening. Okay, and for Bank Nifty again, for to move below, we have to break 40,434. So this level was already told, and you see today Bank Nifty was consolidating in near to this level for a very long time. Again, for now also it's like consolidating, because if you just go into 1-day chart, you'd see that like it's still like you can't say that this level has been taken down. So we have to decide whether this level breaks down or it goes up. So up we have some resistance at 41k, and down we have this level 39,347. Okay, so and for Nifty we have, like, let's discuss the level downwards. So 17,524 is the next level which is there, and if that breaks, then 17,440, and that's it. Okay, so yeah, so I hope you don't have any queries or questions for tomorrow. So then I'll end it here. I think I have discussed everything. If I have missed anything, please do let me know. And again, if you want such updates in the futures like this, then you can follow me on Twitter. And for the newcomers, you can subscribe me on YouTube as well. And please do like the video and share it among the other fellow traders who might need such help. So thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade